Welcome back to the MarsQuant channel. In this video, I'm not only going to explain support and resistance, I am going to apply the complete strategy directly on a live market. We will identify the trend, mark the important zones, wait for price confirmation, and look for a possible live trading opportunity. I will also show you how I determine my entry and profit target using the MarsQuant support and resistance blueprint. Remember, support is not an automatic buy signal, and resistance is not an automatic sell signal. We must allow the market to confirm our analysis first. Let us open the chart and begin. We are now looking at the live market. Before thinking about buy or sell, the first thing I need to understand is the current market condition. Is the market bullish, is it bearish, or is it moving sideways? This is important because the direction of the trend will determine which support and resistance setups we prioritize. I'm not looking for random entries, I'm looking for an entry that follows a clear process. That process begins with a trend. Looking at the current chart, we can see that the market is forming. When the market is bullish, higher highs and higher lows. This means the main structure is currently bullish. Because of that, I am not interested in selling randomly at every resistance. My priority is to wait for the price to pull back into a strong support area and then look for a buy confirmation. When the market is bearish, lower highs and lower lows. This means the main structure is currently bearish. Because of that, I am not interested in buying randomly at every support. My priority is to wait for the price to pull back into a strong resistance area and then look for a sell confirmation. When the market is sideways, the price is moving between a clear upper boundary and lower boundary. In this condition, we must be more selective because there is no strong directional trend. I will focus on the outer edges of the range and avoid entering in the middle. Right now, the market is forming higher highs and higher lows. This means the current structure is bullish. Because of that, I will focus on looking for a buy from support. I may also use the EMA 200 as an additional filter, but market structure remains my main reference. Now I will mark the most important support or resistance area. I use a zone instead of a thin line because the market does not always react at one exact price. This area previously created a strong market reaction, so it may become important when the price returns. However, this zone is not an automatic entry signal. I still need confirmation. The trend, zone, and confirmation are now aligned. A red Maribosu candle has appeared and rejected the resistance area. This indicates that we now have a valid opportunity to open a sell position. This setup meets the main conditions of the MarsQuant blueprint. I will now open a sell position and let's see what happened. Okay, we made a profit. The setup worked successfully based on the strategy explained in the MarsQuant blueprint. To gain more confidence that this strategy works consistently, I will try entering one more trade. Okay, I have marked the key support and resistance zones. I prefer using wider zones rather than single lines because price often reacts within an area, not at one exact level. These zones have caused strong price movements in the past, which means they may become important again when the market returns to them. However, I will not enter a trade immediately just because the price reaches the zone. I still need to wait for a clear confirmation before opening a position. The price is showing signs of a bullish reversal after a bullish harami pattern appeared with bullish confirmation. This setup meets the main conditions of the MarsQuant blueprint. I will now prepare to open a buy position and see what happens next. While the position is developing, remember that support and resistance is only one strategy inside the complete MarsQuant blueprint. The blueprint also includes market structure, trend following, candlestick confirmation, liquidity sweep, breakout and retest, risk management, rich indicator, and many other trading strategies. The complete MarsQuant blueprint is available as one of the facilities for MarsQuant VIP members. VIP members may also receive access to MarsQuant AI. MarsQuant AI can help analyze market trends, structure, support and resistance, momentum, and possible trading scenarios. However, AI remains an analytical tool and should always be combined with discipline and risk management. Okay, the price moved exactly as we predicted. It rose sharply after the bullish Harami pattern was confirmed at the support area. This shows how useful the strategy inside the MarsQuant Blueprint can be when the setup and confirmation are properly aligned. However, always remember that no strategy guarantees profit, so proper risk management is still essential in real trading. I think that is enough for today's explanation about trading with support and resistance. This strategy is explained in much more detail inside the MarsQuant AI Blueprint. You can get access to it by joining our VIP community where we can learn, practice, and improve together. See you in the next video.